Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which lost play of Aeschylus is believed to have depicted the first judicial trial in Athens before the Areopagus? A. Proteus, B. Glaucus Potneus, C. Dicteucho, D. Atreus. The right answer is option C. Dicteucho. Next question. In Sophocles, Oedipus at Cernus, which character delivers the prophecy that Oedipus' burial place will bring protection to Athens? A. Tiresias, B. Theseus, C. Creon, D. Antigone. The right answer is option B. Theseus. Next question. Euripides, Ion prominently critiques which religious institution? A. The Oracle of Delphi, B. The Eleusinian Mysteries, C. The Delian League, D. The Cult of Dionysus. The right answer is option A. The Oracle of Delphi. Next question. Which Aristophanes play mocks Euripides for supposedly lowering dramatic standards? A. Clouds, B. Peace, C. Frogs, D. Wasps. The right answer is option C. Frogs. Next question. In Aeschylus, 7 against Thebes, who curses the warring brothers from the underworld? A. Laius, B. Oedipus, C. Jocasta, D. Eteocles. The right answer is option A. Laius. Next question. Which play of Sophocles is the source of the concept of heroization after death for its protagonist? A. Ajax, B. Philoctetes, C. Oedipus Rex, D. Electra. The right answer is option A. Ajax. Next question. In Euripides, Hecuba, the ghost who appears to Hecuba in the dream is A. Hector, B. Priam, C. Polydorus, D. Cassandra. The right answer is option C. Polydorus. Next question. Aeschylus' Suppliants is unique because it features A. the largest number of chorus lines in surviving Greek drama, B. no central tragic hero, C. a battle on stage, D. no divine intervention. The right answer is option B. no central tragic hero. Next question. In Sophocles' Trachiniae, what ultimately causes Heracles' death? A. Antaeus, poison, B. the Hydra blood-soaked robe, C. Nessus, arrow, D. a volcanic fire. The right answer is option B. the Hydra blood-soaked robe. Next question. Euripides, Helen is set in which location? A. Mycenae, B. Troy, C. Egypt, D. Cyprus. The right answer is option C. Egypt. Next question. Which Aristophanes play ridicules the sophists most directly? A. Wasps, B. Clouds, C. Thesmophoriaceae, D. Babylonians. The right answer is option B. Clouds. Next question. In Aeschylus, Prometheus bound, which Oceanid attempts to comfort Prometheus? A. Thetis, B. Ioc Hermes, D. Oceania. The right answer is option D. Oceania. Next question. Which Sophoclean play contains one of the earliest references to the idea that no mortal is truly fortunate until death? A. Oedipus Rex, B. Antigone, C. Philoctetes, D. Oedipus at Cernus. The right answer is option A. Oedipus Rex. Next question. In Euripides, the Bacchae, Pentheus is persuaded to disguise himself as A. a shepherd, B. a Bacchant woman, C. a priest of Dionysus, D. a messenger. The right answer is option B. a Bacchant woman. Next question. Aristophanes' piece centers around which symbolic object? A. a dung beetle, B. a chariot of clouds, C. a talking lyre, D. a magical pot. The right answer is option A. dung beetle. Next question. Aeschylus' lost trilogy, Achilles, was believed to center on A. Achilles as a child, B. Achilles, ghost and funeral games, C. Achilles, embassy and wrath, D. Achilles in the underworld. The right answer is option C. Achilles, embassy and wrath. Next question. In Sophocles, Electra, which servant helps Orestes in the recognition scene? A. Pallades, B. Tutor, old man, C. Herald, D. Shepherd. The right answer is option B. Tutor, old man. Next question. Euripides, Phoenician women uniquely includes which rare element? A. a duel on stage, B. a complete choral ode retelling the Ban history, C. a deus ex machina by Apollo, D. a silent central chorus. The right answer is option B. a complete choral ode retelling the Ban history. Next question. In Aristophanes' Acharnians, Dicaeopolis negotiates a private A. law code, B. peace treaty, C. marriage alliance, D. Olympic decree. The right answer is option B. peace treaty. Next question. In Aeschylus, Orestia, which character prophesies the coming of Orestes? A. Clytemnestra, B. chorus leader, C. Cassandra, D. Aegisthus. The right answer is option C. Cassandra. Next question. Sophocles, Philoctetes features which city as the final destination for Neoptolemus and Philoctetes? A. Mycenae, B. Troy, C. Ithaca, D. Salamis. The right answer is option B. Troy. Next question. In Euripides, Alcestis, which character wrestles death, Thanatos? A. Apollo, B. Heracles, C. Admetus, D. Phares. The right answer is option B. Heracles. Question for you. The chorus of Aristophanes, Lysistrata is unique because it consists of A. Only old men, B. Only women, C. Divided male and female groups in conflict, D. Foreign slaves. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.